Newest thing that everyone is talking about is peptides. So before we get into peptides, there's a bigger trend that's happening called consumer biotech. It means regular people are starting to experiment with biology the same way we experiment with technology. Culture is called biohacking. Biohacking is essentially using science, data, and technology to upgrade biology and performance. Actually started in Silicon Valley because if your whole career is optimizing systems and software, eventually you start asking, can I optimize my body too? And that's how biohacking took off in the tech world. Peptides are basically tiny chains of amino acids, but the easiest way to think about them is pretty much like little instruction messengers to your body, and they tell your body to do certain things like heal muscles, grow skin cells, regulate appetite, produce hormones. Actually heard of one peptide already, Ozempic. Ozempic works using a peptide called GLP-1, which tells your brain that you're full. Because Ozempic works so well, now everyone is trying to find a peptide for everything. People claim that peptides can help with fat loss, muscle recovery, sleep, focus, hair growth, anti-aging. There are now peptides marketed for everything from weight loss to cellular regeneration. Here's the crazy part. So this trend isn't just happening in Silicon Valley anymore. It's actually spreading to young people online everywhere. So Gen Z is increasingly interested in bio-optimization and longevity science, with over 40% expressing interest in these practices. The looks maxing community, fitness TikTok, longevity, Twitter, biohacking podcasts. These peptides are experimental, and some are literally ordering them from online research labs labeled for research purposes only. Actually warned that many peptides may carry serious safety risks and remain largely untested. Actually makes sense when you understand the mindset, because tech culture is so obsessed with being early investors, early adopters, early technology. Now people are trying to be early adopters of biology. People call this the era of consumer biotech. Biology becomes something people experiment with outside traditional medicine. Like DIY biology even encourage individuals to experiment with life science themselves. Peptides might actually become the future of medicine, or they might just be the Wild West of biohacking, entering a world where people don't just upgrade their phones, they're trying to upgrade their whole biology. No, are we entering the era of DIY biology?